Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of crypto in 2025, you might need to transfer your XDC tokens from crypto.com to Binance for trading, staking, or just better options. Don't worry, I'm going to walk you through this step by step in a simple, straightforward way. By the end of this video, you'll be transferring XDC like a pro. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both crypto.com and Binance. Log into your crypto.com app or website. Once you're in, head over to your wallet section and find your XDC balance. It's usually under the Assets or Wallets tab, easy to spot. Next, select XDC from your list of assets. You'll see an option to withdraw or transfer out. Click on that, and it will prompt you to enter the destination. Now, switch over to Binance. Log in there and go to your wallet. You need to copy the XDC wallet address. Double check that it's for the correct network, like the XDC network, to avoid any mix-ups. Back on crypto.com, paste that Binance wallet address into the withdrawal form. Enter the amount of XDC you want to send, and don't forget to review the network fees. These can vary, so aim for a time when fees are low to save some cash. Hit confirm, and you'll get a final verification screen. Make sure everything looks good before you proceed. Once you confirm, the transaction will be processed. It might take a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Keep an eye on your Binance account to confirm when the XDC arrives. Pro tip: always use two-factor authentication and verify addresses to protect against scams. And there you have it. That's how you send XDC from crypto.com to Binance in 2025. It's a quick process once you get the hang of it, but always stay cautious with your crypto. If this tutorial helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more guides, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.